students, today we will learn the poem Nobody's Friend written by Enid Blyton. Children, Enid Blyton was an English author. She was born in England. She was one of the world's most famous children's writers. Now let's read the poem written by her. She had some sweets that she wouldn't share. She had a book that she wouldn't lend. She wouldn't let anyone play with her doll. She is nobody's friend. He had some toffee and ate every bit. He had a tricycle he wouldn't lend. He never let anyone play with his train. He is nobody's friend. But I'll share all of my sweets with you. My ball and my books and my games I will lend. Here's half my apple and half my cake. I'm your friend. Children, this poem teaches a great lesson to us. It tells us about the concept of sharing. Through this poem, you will understand the happiness that comes with sharing. The poem begins by telling us about a little girl who does not like sharing her things. Moreover, it tells us examples of things like she has a book but she does not lend it to anyone. Similarly, the girl also has a doll but she does not allow anyone to play with it. This means she is not a friend to anyone. Then the poem tells us about a little boy. He also has some toffees, but instead of sharing them with everyone, he eats them up. The boy also has a tricycle which he just rides alone. He does not lend it to anyone. Further, he also has some toys. The boy has a toy train and just plays it with himself. He does not let anyone else play with his train, which means he is not anybody's friend. Then the poet tells us about herself. The poet tells that she has sweets and will also share them with everyone. She then says that she also has books and balls which she will lend to others. The poet also has games which she likes sharing with others. The poet also says that even if she has one apple, she will share the half as well. In addition, the poet has a cake which is ready to share as well with others. This shows that poet is a very sharing person. Finally, she concludes by saying that she is indeed your friend. Children, this poem tells us about differences between people who share and ones who don't. It gives us an example that those who do not share are not anybody's friend. I hope you have understood the poem. Thank you.